I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get into the best shape of your life. Okay, so think access to an elite personal trainer or nutritionist, the ones with the secret sauce, the ones that work with celebrities, pro athletes. So think of that quality of information, but custom tailored to your situation. Okay, so we're going to do that using ChatGPT, but really you could be using Gemini, Grok, Claude, doesn't really matter. Okay, so this is a series. Week 1 is a foundation. So step 1, we have to figure out how many calories does your body need in order to maintain its current weight or to stay the same. Okay, so this number is called your TDEE, or your total daily energy expenditure. Okay, so stick around. I'm going to show you how to figure this out. Okay, so let's get started. I've put together this prompt. Just quickly, I'll go over this because I'm going to include this in the description as well. All you need to do is copy paste this and drop it into an empty ChatGPT, and then you're on your way to figure out your TDEE. Okay, but really it's a calorie calculator to figure out your TDEE based off the Mifflin-St. Jeor equation. Obviously there are different calculators. I'll give you slightly different numbers, but this is a good starting point. Okay, so you could copy paste this prompt. Alternatively, you could also use the other link to a custom GPT that I've created using the same prompt. So you don't even really need to copy paste anything. You just need to click on it and then select, I'd like to figure out my TDEE, and then it's going to ask you a couple of questions. So I'm going to put my information in here. Let's see what the flow looks like. It's asked me my sex, my age in years. It's going to ask me for my height. I could put this in feet or feet in inches. So I just put it in centimeters. My weight, I'm around 205. It's the summer bulk. So how many steps I take per day. So this is a good one. You could go into your health app on the iPhone, scroll down to the step section, select the time frame of 6 months or a year, and I'll give you roughly how many steps you take per day. So I'm putting 5,600 because that's what it showed me, but use the best that you can. How many workouts per day? I get about 4 to 5 workouts, but I'm just going to put four workouts for now. So it confirms all of this. I say yes, and then it's going to go out and figure out my TDEE. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. So 2729 calories per day. So that is the estimated daily calories that I need to consume in order to maintain my current weight. So if I eat this 2730 calories per day and then continue doing whatever I usually do, my weights should stay the same. Okay, as I mentioned previously, this is an estimate, not 100% accurate. Everybody's slightly different. Now you could calibrate on this, track for 7 to 14 days, eat 2,700 calories, continue doing whatever you do, and then see how your weight changes, and that's how you can improve on this. But really, I just use this number, and then I eat under this number in order to lose weight. Okay, so I'm going to show you in the next video how you can use AI to figure out how far under this number you need to eat in order to get to your goals. So stick around, get your TDEE, and then I'll see you in part 2.